Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to a new video on Beam. Had to make a video on that. I obviously covered this a lot when it had that big bull run. Yeah, okay, that's a great picture to open Twitter with. I also wanted to cover it right now. I mean, it seems pretty bullish. I've talked about Beam before in the last couple of weeks, and to me, what the situation was and still is that Beam is consolidating here between 1.6 cents here at the bottom, that green area, and then at the top this red area, the resistance level between 2.3 and 2.25 cents. And right now we're at that resistance, so that's that could be great, as that gives us a possibility to actually get a bullish breakout, to break out of the range and potentially rally up higher to that famous 3-cent level at least. So that's what I wanted to talk about. But first of all, I opened Twitter because I wanted to see if there was some news on Beam. Maybe there were some mentions yesterday. That's something I could predict. But no big news on Beam right now. I believe they got some news early in this year. I don't think it has come out yet. But in general, I mean, if you look at Beam right now, it looks pretty good. All right. If you look at the open interest that's building up right here, you can see that's pretty good. It looks a bit manipulated if you look at how the open interest is going up, but that doesn't necessarily matter. I mean, a lot of cryptos are manipulated. One way you could confirm that is to look at the volume for Beam and where that's coming from. That's pretty fine. So I wouldn't be too worried about that. Right now, the big question just is the momentum that Beam has built up enough to get a bullish breakout and a rally? That's most important right now. And I think that's hard to say because we got a good increase of open interest. All right, so the momentum right now, it increased and it's still high for Beamx, and I think the same goes for the normal Beam, right? Yeah, kind of the same. So it increased and it's now stable. But that's bullish and bearish at the same time, all right? Because what could happen from this point of time is that it could continue to drop down for a while and that this is the top, or we could have another one of those spikes. So purely, if we just look at the momentum that Beam has, we're neutral, all right? It could go both ways. So what I'm going to tell you is that while the open interest is increasing like this, the most accurate prediction usually is that it will continue in this fashion, and this fashion is bullish. And this fashion, if you assume the price is going to continue to behave in that way, you expect another move up, and that move up would be a breakout above 2.3 cents, and a breakout above 2.3 cents for Beam would equal to at least a move up to 2.6 and 2.7 cents. So I'm going to tell you that I think that's most likely. Now, will I trade that? Will I buy Beam? No, because technically I'm waiting for either 2.3 to break, because then we have confirmation, or for Beam to break down below 2.15 cents. So that's 0.0215. Because at this moment, look, the market structure is still a consolidation. So if Beam really breaks down below 2.15 cents, then we'll just drop back down to the bottom of the range. I'm pretty convinced about that. So purely technically, I am waiting for a breakout. If I would have to tell you right now, which most of the people watching these videos need that, if I would have to tell you right now which one I think is most likely, so what I expect, what I predict, I would say this. But like I said, if you want to trade Beam, I would wait for that confirmation. So those are my thoughts. That's, I think, everything you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you want to know when I'm entering a trade on Beam. If I am, I'm not sure if I will yet. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.